Unveiling Common Mishearings, Take It For Granite. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's often misheard and misused: take it for granted. Stick around as we break down what people actually mean to say, why this mix-up happens, and how you can use the correct phrase in everyday conversations. Let's clear up this rocky confusion together. First things first. The phrase many people mean to say is, take it for granted, not granite. To take something for granted means to fail to appreciate the value of something because you assume it will always be available or remain the same. It's about overlooking the importance of something due to its constant presence or reliability in your life. Examples. Don't take your health for granted. It's precious. He took it for granted that his friends would always be there for him. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both recognizing its use in conversations and applying it appropriately in your own communication. So, why do some people say, take it for granted? Simply put, it's a classic example of a mondegreen, which occurs when words or phrases are misheard and repeated incorrectly. Granite, a type of rock, sounds quite similar to granted when spoken quickly or not enunciated clearly. This mix-up is especially common among non-native speakers or those who have learned the phrase by ear without seeing it written. Key points. Mondegreens are misheard versions of phrases, poems, lyrics, and sayings. The confusion usually stems from sound similarity and lack of visual confirmation of the words. To ensure you're using the phrase correctly, remember that granted is the word you want, which relates to granting or giving something a certain level of appreciation or acknowledgement. A helpful tip to avoid this mistake is to associate the phrase with its meaning of appreciation and acknowledgement, rather than the completely unrelated concept of a hard, natural stone. Tips. Context is key. Always consider the meaning of the phrase in the sentence. If it's about appreciation or taking something lightly, granted is your word. Visual reinforcement. Try to read more English texts where this phrase is used correctly to reinforce the right form in your memory. Practice makes perfect. Use the phrase in your own sentences and have them checked by native speakers or language learning apps. Thank you for joining us today to clear up the take it for granted confusion. Remember, it's take it for granted, and it's all about not overlooking the value of what you have. We hope this video has shed some light on this common mistake and helped improve your English skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.